How to change default apps on Android. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to change default apps on Android. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the settings app on your phone. And now here, once you are inside the settings, then what you can do is simply tap on the search bar at the top and simply type default apps. And now here, once you have searched for it, then what you can do is simply tap on default apps option. And now here, you can select what you want to change. For example, the dial, messaging, browser app, SMS app, gallery, email app, play video app, voice assistant app as well. And now here, you can just tap on the category and simply select the preferred app. And once you do that, the selected app will now open by default. And that's it. That's how you can change default apps on Android. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.